council habaro kilia
Myntri Rangbah gejala ukonrat ke sangma ula Kyntait ikecing ong ba Jingbymleh sniu ke NPP harilom KHASI la khanglat da kejing sngotu ba kadai ke Seng Garo. Hadian ba ke Seng kalayo tang South Seat na KHADC haba kubor ye kejing kemilenti na kebenta ke result ba khambha ula penpau ba ka NPP kalayo khambun ki ward haba yanujor bat ke election MP. Ula Kyntait ru ye kejing nangkiu jong ka VPP da ka ba ong ba ka ward jengki kala hiar hakani ke election MDC. Usangma ula banjur ba ya ke election na penwandur dakimat bayadei bat kathan bat ula Kyntait bahkan keta ya kini ke election banwan syaka KHADC ula penpau ya ke jingkermen na kabenta ke jing sngutu bat ke jinga trilang kababha hapdeng baro ki Seng sain perthai.
Again, we don't look at anything lightly. We have to also remember that we have been running the council now continuously for almost 10 years now. So there will be challenges, no doubt about it, and we'll have to work hard. But yes, we are not taking anything lightly. But the results here technically will not directly impact the elections in Garo Hills. Garo Hills will be different factor. It's against a district council election. So there will be district council issues. There will be local issues, I think, which will be more important than any kind of an election result out here in KHASI Hills affecting the Garo Hills result.